We'll guide you through how to increase your Gumroad sales using the most current strategies for 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gumroad dashboard and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you need to go to the Products section. Here, make sure each product listing is optimized with clear and engaging descriptions. Use high-quality images and add a video if possible, showing off your product in action. This gives buyers a better sense of what they're purchasing. Next, focus on pricing strategies. Consider offering tiered pricing, where customers can choose to pay more for additional content or perks. This can increase your average sale price. Another powerful tool is creating discount codes and promotions. Go to the Promotions tab and create a limited-time offer to encourage urgency. Share these codes on your social media platforms and email list to drive traffic. Speaking of social media, make sure you're active on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of your products and direct them to your Gumroad page. Additionally, integrate email marketing by setting up automated email sequences to nurture your leads. In the Audience section, you can manage your subscribers and send targeted emails. Include testimonials and reviews from satisfied customers in your communications. This builds trust and social proof, making potential buyers more inclined to purchase. Lastly, consider collaborating with influencers or affiliates who align with your brand. They can help promote your products to a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.